dito po sa yan. Shout out doon sa aking client, Sir Enriquez. Ayan, ginagawa yung bahay mo. And yung kay Sir Hill din, ginagawa yung bahay mo doon, sir. And of course, yung kay Sir na nasa Canada, sir, ginagawa yung bahay. Ayan, so for today's video guys, papakita ko sa inyo ngayon, ito pong Paris Model Unit. Okay guys, so ngayon, ipapakita ko naman sa inyo ngayon, ito pong ating Paris Turnover Unit. Kasi this is the update and this is the expected turnover sa lahat ng bumili ng Paris Model Unit. And to those na bumili po sa akin, itong Paris Model Unit, and this is the actual turnover. Kasi before na bumili po kayo, ito pong Paris natin is hindi pa siya finished. But now, and today, I will be taking you to this Paris model house. Alright, so excited din ako. Excited na din kayo. I know you are all excited na makita yung pinaka facade and the finishes and the actual turnover and how it goes, no, from the time na nag-reserve kayo up to the time na i-turn over namin yung inyong property. Alright, para sa ating cash buyers, and later on explain ko naman sa inyo po yung ating mga bank financing buyers and deferred payment buyers. Alright, so sa cash payment muna tayo guys. No, kapag cash payment po tayo guys, so ito pong ating bahay po, gagawin po ito ng 360 days kasi malaki yung house. Kapag cash term, so bibigyan nyo lang kami po ng 2 months for the preparation of the building permit. Then, start tayo ng house construction na po. So, bibigyan namin kayo ng email kung kailan po tayo mag-i-start ng groundbreaking and to those. And ngayon, so ipapakita natin sa inyo guys kung paano po ba ang turnover nitong Paris Model House na medyo airy and breezy dito po sa Antel, Anyana, because our location is just, okay guys, no, makikita niyo na po yung bundok ng Tagaytay. Look at that. Ayan, no, medyo hindi lang natin mazoom na mabuti, pero ito pong ating location is just malapit lang po ito sa going Tagaytay. Alright, so ngayon, papakita ko sa inyo guys. Ito ngayon, yung Paris natin. Alright, so typical the Paris model house, at least requirement lot area nito of 150 square meters. So with a floor area of 187.35, so it has 4 bedrooms. Just imagine na almost half of the house bedroom portion. And meron kang dalawang two carport. Alright, so upon entering the house, so you have this 3 meters na setback, which is, ito yung pinaka magiging frontage natin. So it's 3 meter setback kasi ito po ang requirement ng DHSUD. Okay, so para sa mga high-end, so wala tayong dikit-dikit kasi requirements po yan siya ng HLURB and then DHSUD. Alright, so this will be your carport, 2-car garage. So bago natin po iikot, no, the entirety of the property, so let's check on the lanai space. This is the lanai space. Wow. So you still have 2 meters here. Ayan. And it's sa likod, you have this. Another 2 meters setback, which is later on, pwede nyo siyang i-improve. Ano, lagyan nyo backward. But, take note, no, every time na meron po tayong gagawing improvement, mayroon po tayong gagawing improvement, alteration and renovation or additional construction dito po sa unit natin, so magsasubmit po tayo ng building permit at saka magsasubmit tayo ng plano for the building permit, by the way. Okay, so check natin yung buong house. Alright, so I hope na maganda yung kasi mahangin. So anyway, this is the lanai space. And dito po sa carport, you have this outlets and switches. Yung ating color, mayroon tayong 3 color po nito guys. Medyo isang light, dark, and medyo dark. Right, so itong pinapakita natin, this is a light color, this is the original color. So look at the facade guys. The facade of the house, it's very modern and Asian modern Zen type house. And this is the main door. Look at your main entry door. So as you can see, this is made up of steel panel. Then you have this side lights, no? So this is the accent ng inyong pong pinto. Plus, and look at your doorknobs. Ganito na po yung magiging turnover ng doorknobs natin. Ayan, so medyo modern, magaganda na din. then, lock natin guys. So, this is the ground floor area ng ating pong pinaka-Paris model house. So, as you can see, so this Paris model house is a very different model dito po sa Anyana kasi the living and the dining area is separate. So, pag meron kayong bisita, so dito muna tayo sa pinaka-living space. Ayan, this is the living space. So, as you can see, malapad yung ating pinaka-windows framing. So, ang ganda guys, no? And mapapansin nyo rin yung ating pong pinaka-kisame, yung ceiling natin is nasa mataas ang height. And dito tayo ngayon sa kitchen space. This will be your kitchen space or kitchen area, which you have this countertop na granite. Look at this one. This will be the actual turnover. So you have this single sink, and look at your faucet. Ayan, ganda na yan. Wow. Ganda, no? Maganda po yung turnover na natin. And even the faucet na ginamit. And dito po sa ilalim po ng ating pong pinaka lababo is open lang po yan siya. So kayo na po maglalagay ng pinaka cover. Yeah. And dito sa kitchen space, you have the space na dito sa right side. This will be your gas range, or dito naman po sa kabila ang inyo pong pinaka-fridge. So medyo maliit yung space pero pwede nyo po siyang lagyan ng appliances later on. So ang maganda po dito sa pinaka-dining space is, the dining area is, the space is very wide at maganda. Plus, nandito yung pinaka-puso ng inyong pong bahay. So, nandito lahat yung mga switches sa pinaka-kitchen space. Right. So, at least, any destruction or any fire, no, dito po sa bahay ninyo guys, mas mabilis nyo lang siyang malocate because yung pinaka-main switch nyo is nandito sa pinaka-dining area. Okay, take note on that. Plus, dito po sa dining area, you have this switches and outlets, by the way. Plus, on this side, you have this lanay space, which dito tayo galing kanina po. Right? Okay? So, since nasa ground floor area tayo, you have a common toilet and bath here. Wow, look at this one. The common toilet and bath. Lagyan natin ng lights para medyo maliwanag. And tingnan nyo po yung ating pinaka-turnover unit. This will be the turnover. Yan. Yung ating pong pinaka-lavatory. And then this water closet. So malaki, no? And then even the faucet na ginamit guys, this will be the turnover. Ayan siya. And even the shower heads, this will be the shower heads. And you have that outlet. And this will be the, ayan, lagay na sabon. Right? So as you can see, yung turnover natin, no? Kung ano po nakikita nyo dito sa video, this will be the actual turnover. Ayan siya guys. No, floor to ceiling yung ating pinaka-tiles. Plus, ayan siya guys. No? Nakikita nyo po. Ayan. So, okay. So, at least you have the idea, no? Kung ano po ba yung turnover natin. So, on this side, this is your den. So, isang room dito sa ground floor space, which you have this awning window for your ventilation. Ayan. So, pag binuksan ko siya, talagang mararamdaman mo yung hampas ng hampas. Right. So, this house ended up for sale. This model house po is our best-selling model unit dito po sa Anyana. This Paris model house. Okay? So, head on to the second floor. But before we get into the second floor, so you have this storage space underneath sa ilalim ng ating pinakahagdanan guys. So, the space is quite wide. So, pwede pa kayong maglagay dito ng mga bins or cabinets or shelvings or pwede kayong maglagay dito ng inyong pong pinaka-computer area. Dito pa sa ilalim ng pinakahagdanan. But, pinakamagandang sense dyan is gawin nyo siyang storage area. Pero ipa-architect nyo and then ipa-design nyo para medyo maganda naman po ang dating. Alright, so let's go up. So upon getting into the second floor, so yung ating pong staircases is made up of, yung steps natin is made up of plank. Look at this one. And then yung ating handrail is made up of, this one is a tubular. This is a 2x2 tubular. So this is the horizontal slab. And this one is the vertical bars. So maganda rin po ang dating. Okay. And this is the landing, no? Dito sa half. Pero makikita niyo po yung riser natin, guys, is hindi naman siya sobrang taas. Enough lang, banayad lang yung riser natin. Kaya maganda po din. Okay. So nandito tayo ngayon sa second floor. So this is the second floor of the property. Wow, look at this one. So, yung landing natin, this is Oro Plata, no? Yung atin pong pinakabahay. And dito po sa pinaka-family area sa taas, so you have the space and you have the common balcony. Look at that one. Ayan. Okay? So, this is the balcony for the whole house. But the balcony po, bukod pa po yung nandun sa master's bedroom. So in here, pwede kayo maglagay ng plants. And you will enjoy this vertical bars, so which give additional aesthetics dito po sa inyong house. Plus you have this tempered glasses as your separator, guys. No? Ang ganda. Okay? So let's check on the bedrooms, no? Dito po sa second floor. Okay, dito sa second floor, you have 3 bedrooms and 2 toilet and bath. And this is the first room. Wow. Look at this one, guys. Ang space is hindi tinipid at napakaganda din ng space natin. Look at this one. Even the floorings. Oh, look at the flooring, guys. Plus, you have the awning window here, which the air galing sa labas is pasok dito. At masarap siya. See? Talagang mararamdaman mo, no? Kung naririnig nyo po, magkababas ng hangin. Talagang mahangin dito, guys. And, ayan, no? Makikita nyo po, 360 yung property. And, ayan lang po yung pinaka-tower ng Robinsons Mall. So, as you can see, so, i-zoom in natin ng konti, guys. Wow! Okay? Nakikita nyo po ba yung tower ng Robinsons Mall? Ayan, yan lang siya. Alright, ayan lang po ang Robinsons Mall. And then, next to the Robinsons Mall is the Maple Grove, which is malapit lang din siya sa dito po sa Anyana Alcalá. Okay, so let's check on the second room. Wow. Okay. Wow. This is the second room on the second floor. So the space of the first and second room is almost the same, but mapapansin ko dito, guys, is mas malalaki yung kanyang pinaka window. Ayan, it has a large awning window here. Then meron kayo itong isang fixed glass, which still magbibigay din siya ng magandang natural light, no? And aesthetics na sa inyong bahay kasi this is part of the facade ng bahay ninyo, guys. Right, ganda. So sana all may bahay po. Ganda ng bahay niyo. Okay, so this room has a common toilet and bath on the second floor. So this will be the common toilet and bath on the second floor. Look at this one. Okay, so look at the shower heads and even the floating sink. And mapapansin nyo dito po sa pinaka-shower area, you have the space na naka-elevate. Look at this one, guys. Ayan. This is the provision in the event na maglalagay po kayo ng inyo pong separator like the frosted glasses and even the faucets and the knobs. Wow! And even the shower heads. Nice! Plus, your water closet. This is a square type. Ito na po yung mga uso ngayon na mga water closet. No? It's a square type. Plus, yung pinaka pinto nyo dito is made up of wood. And look at your doorknobs, guys. Ayan. Alright. Okay. So, I hope na magustuhan nyo po yung video nito. Kung bago pa lang sa aking YouTube channel, please don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to get you notified whenever we release new updates, most likely here at Anyana Uncle Tansan. Okay, so nandito tayo ngayon sa master's bedroom. Wow, what a master's bedroom. This is very wide. So it can accommodate a king size bed, plus there's a lot of space overhead na pwede nyo pang lagay ng cabinets, cupboards, plus on this area, you have a space here which intended for your walk-in closet. Look at this one. And even the flooring natin, this one is made up of vinyl. And on the side, dito po sa pinaka walk-in closet area nyo. But the walk-in closet is provision. So kayo na po maglalagay ng cabinets. And in this area, you have a big space for Il Master Suites toilet and bath. Look at this one. So, ang ganda rin yung pinaka floating sink, even the faucet. Ayan guys. Ayan, ang ganda ng ating turnover. So, itong mga faucet na ito, nakikita ko po ito dito sa mga mamahaling houses natin. No? Dito po sa ating na-feature. So, and look at your shower head. Medyo wider, mas malaki po dito sa master's bedroom. And look at this one. Ganda. Okay. Plus, your water closet here. So, tago yung ating pinaka-water closet. The same thing, yung water closet natin is a square type. Look at that. Wow. Okay, so ayan. Ang ganda. Okay. So to give you the recap, this property at least meron kang 150 square meters lot area and with a floor area of 187.35, so it has 4 bedrooms, 3 toilet and bath, and 2 car garage. Just imagine, ang laki ng house. And check natin other portion of the property. So let's go downstairs. Ganda ng house. Lovely. Okay. So this is the kitchen space. Then let's do the recap. Alright, so maraming salamat po sa inyong pagsama dito po sa aking house tour, dito po sa Paris Model House. My name is Rene Mediana, Division Manager dito po sa Andel Grand Village, and I've been doing real estate business for over 9 years dito lang po sa Andel Grand Village. Alright, so this Paris Model House with a lot area of 150 square m, with a floor area of 187.35, 4 bedrooms, then 3 toilet and bath. So ito po is available through bank financing, deferred and spot cash. So if you are going to pay spot cash, the property po is gagawin siya after 2 months, once you settle the whole amount. Then construction ito po is nasa 360 working days. So ang maganda dito, during the house construction, pwede nyo siyang silipin and pwede nyo tingnan yung inyong pong bahay na paano siya ginagawa. So ibuksan natin yung pinakabintana. And then if you gusto naman is bank financing, so just 20% down, 15% down payment lang po ng property. Then the 85% will be bank financing. So gagawin ng bahay nyo kapag bayad na po yung down payment. And 85% po with a letter of guarantee from the bank. So ang down payment natin is stretch, no? So by staggered payment in 30 months, no interest. So at least kung mayroon kayong magandang property na in the 30 months, walang interest. So parang naghulog lang kayo ng pera nyo sa bank, pero ang binibili ninyo is bahay ninyo po dito sa Philippines. And of course, if you will do naman po deferred payment, so in deferred payment, the whole total amount divided into 30 months, no interest. Alright, so yun lang po guys, no? Napakaganda ng ating offer kasi this is a real estate properties na pwede nyo ipamana sa inyong mga heirs, no? Pamana ninyo, pwede nyo siyang gawing collateral. And of course, dito sa Anyana Altansa, may available tayong lot only, commercial lot, and open dito sa lahat ng engineers, contractors, and architect. Kung may kakilala kayong mga engineers and architects, so pwede kayong magpagawa ng sariling design. So paaprubahan niyo lang po dito sa amin sa office, at least 2 million pesos yung cost ng building para ma-approve. No? Minimum of 2 floors, binuksan ko yung bintana kasi mahangin. Minimum of 2 floors, and pwede po hanggang 3rd floor or 11.5 meters from the ground. Basta po magsasabit lang kayo ng plano. So dito naman sa Anyana Altansa, walang pilitan kung kailan kayo magpapagawa ng bahay. Let's say after 10 years pa, as long as meron na kayong na secure na property. Right? So maraming salamat po. And dito sa Anyana, we do free site tripping every day. So my team are very willing to assist you all. Maraming salamat and see you in my next video. God bless you sa atin.